Lexus builds some of the most reliable cars on the planet, but there is a massive trap hiding in the used Lexus IS market. Certain model years suffer from flawed engine designs and interior materials that disintegrate over time, tanking the car's value. If you aren't careful, you'll accidentally buy the exact version that mechanics dread working on, instead of the absolute tank that runs to 300,000 miles. Before you hand over your cash, let's break down the worst Lexus IS models you must avoid, and the absolute best one to buy instead. Let's see. The best Lexus IS models to buy. If you're shopping for a used Lexus IS and want the sweet spot between reliability, modern technology, and value, there's one generation that consistently stands above the rest: the 2017 to 2019 Lexus IS. These models represent the perfect balance of luxury and dependability. By 2017, Lexus had refined the third-generation IS, fixing many of the small issues found in earlier versions while adding features that still feel premium today. One of the biggest upgrades was the inclusion of the Lexus Safety System Plus as standard equipment. That means every drive comes with advanced technologies like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alert. These features not only make highway driving more relaxing, but also provide an extra layer of protection for you and your passengers. But safety isn't the only reason these years stand out. Earlier third-generation Lexus IS models were criticized for their outdated infotainment system and occasional head unit problems. Lexus listened to customer feedback and made significant improvements by 2017. The updated multimedia system became more responsive, more reliable, and far less frustrating to use, creating a much better daily driving experience. Then there's the driving experience itself. The 2017 through 2019 Lexus IS delivers the smooth, quiet ride that Lexus is famous for, while still offering sharp steering and confident handling. Whether you're commuting through city traffic or cruising on the highway, it feels refined, comfortable, and surprisingly engaging behind the wheel. Even years later, these models continue to hold their value remarkably well. Owners consistently praise them for requiring minimal maintenance, offering excellent long-term reliability, and providing luxury car quality without the expensive repair bills often associated with European competitors. So, if you're searching for the smartest Lexus IS to buy, the 2017 to 2019 models should be at the very top of your list. They combine proven reliability, modern safety technology, improved infotainment, luxurious comfort, and strong resale value into one impressive package. For buyers who want premium quality without overspending, this is the Lexus IS generation that truly delivers the best value for your money. Now, moving on to the second, the 2021 and newer Lexus IS models should be at the top of your list. While Lexus isn't introducing an entirely new generation, the 2021 refresh is so comprehensive that it completely transforms the driving experience. The result is a sports sedan that feels more modern, refined, and more enjoyable than ever. The first thing you'll notice is the updated exterior design. With a wider stance, sharper LED headlights, and a more aggressive front grille, the 2021 Lexus IS looks significantly sportier than its predecessor. It has a premium style that still commands attention years after its debut. Climb inside, and the improvements continue. One of the biggest upgrades is the 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Unlike older Lexus IS models, which relied heavily on a sometimes frustrating touchpad controller, the new touchscreen makes everything faster and easier to use. Whether you're changing navigation, selecting music, or adjusting vehicle settings, the experience feels much more intuitive. Even better, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing you to easily connect your smartphone for navigation, phone calls, text messages, podcasts, and your favorite music apps. This is a feature many buyers consider essential these days, and Lexus has finally made it a standard part of the package. However, these improvements go far beyond technology. Lexus engineers also refined the chassis and suspension, giving the IS sharper handling without sacrificing the Lexus renowned ride comfort. Steering feels more precise, cornering is more confident, and the car remains remarkably quiet and comfortable on long highway drives. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend drive on a winding road, the 2021 Lexus IS and above strikes an impressive balance between comfort and sportiness. And, of course, you still get Lexus's legendary reputation for reliability. These models combine premium luxury with a low cost of ownership, making them an excellent long-term investment compared to many European luxury sedans, which can be expensive to maintain. So, if you're in the market for a Lexus IS and want the most advanced third-generation version, the 2021 and later models are your best bet. They offer modern technology, improved driving dynamics, updated styling, and the reliable build that Lexus is known for. In short, if you can afford the extra budget, this is the Lexus IS that delivers the complete package, and one you'll enjoy for years to come. Years and models to avoid. Okay, now let's move on to the years and models to avoid. Before you buy a used Lexus IS, there's one model you should approach with extreme caution: the Lexus IS 250, especially the 2006 to 2015 models. At first glance, it seems like a great deal. It has a premium Lexus badge, a stylish design, and an affordable used car price. But beneath that attractive exterior lies a problem that has frustrated thousands of owners. The biggest problem is the 2.5-liter V6 engine, which is notorious for severe carbon buildup on the intake valves. Over time, carbon deposits build up inside the engine, reducing airflow and causing unstable revs, sluggish acceleration, poor fuel economy, and even expensive repairs. Fixing this problem often requires a specialized cleaning procedure that can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Performance is also disappointing. Despite the Lexus IS name, the IS 250 doesn't deliver the sporty driving experience many buyers expect. With just over 200 horsepower, the engine often feels underpowered, especially when merging onto the highway or accelerating quickly. Compared to the newer IS 300 and IS 350 models, it lacks the traction and responsiveness that define a true luxury sports sedan. While the IS 250 still offers Lexus comfort, build quality, and reliability in many other areas, carbon buildup issues in its engine make it a risky purchase for many used car buyers. So, if you're looking for the best long-term value, it's usually wiser to skip the 2006 to 2015 Lexus IS 250 and invest in a newer IS model or the more powerful IS 350. Spending a little more money up front can save you from costly repairs and give you a much more enjoyable driving experience in the long run. If you're considering a 2006 to 2008 Lexus IS, you might want to think twice before signing the paperwork. While these early second-generation models introduced a stylish design and the legendary Lexus reputation for reliability, they also came with a few frustrating problems that many owners still remember today. One of the biggest complaints involves the dashboard and interior materials. Over time, many owners noticed that the dashboard became sticky, soft, and even started to melt when exposed to heat and sunlight. Instead of maintaining the premium feel you'd expect from a luxury sedan, the interior could become messy, shiny, and unpleasant to touch. Unfortunately, the issues didn't stop there. These early models were also known for various interior accessory problems. Owners reported glitches with switches, buttons, and other cabin components that could wear out sooner than expected. While these problems may not leave you stranded on the side of the road, they can become expensive and frustrating to repair, especially when you're trying to preserve the luxury experience that Lexus is known for. The good news is that Lexus addressed many of these concerns in later model years, making newer versions of the second-generation IS a much safer choice for used car buyers. So, if you're shopping for a pre-owned Lexus IS, it's generally wise to avoid the 2006 to 2008 models whenever possible. Spending a little more on a newer model can reward you with a better quality interior, fewer headaches, and a much more satisfying ownership experience. Sometimes the cheapest Lexus isn't the best value, and this is a perfect example of why choosing the right model year matters. Next, if you're planning to buy a 2014 to 2016 Lexus IS 300 or IS 350, don't worry. These models don't suffer from the engine carbon buildup issues that made the older IS 250 notorious. In fact, they're known for their smooth performance, reliable V6 engines, and the premium build quality that Lexus is known for. However, there's one important reason why many experts recommend considering a 2017 or newer model. The biggest drawback of these early third-generation cars is their lack of advanced active safety technology. While they still offer a solid driving experience, these cars were built before Lexus made Lexus Safety System Plus standard across its lineup. That means features like pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alert aren't available on many models or aren't included as standard equipment. In today's market, where modern safety features have become a major draw, that's a significant drawback. If you frequently commute, drive on the highway, or travel with your family, these driver assistance technologies can make every trip safer, more comfortable, and less stressful. The good news is that the engines, transmissions, and overall build quality remain excellent. So, these cars aren't bad cars by any means. They just don't measure up to the improvements introduced in 2017. So, if your budget allows, it's worth spending a little extra on a 2017 or newer Lexus IS. You'll get all the reliability and driving pleasure of previous models, plus the added confidence of modern safety technology that makes every mile feel safer. And that's our guide to the best Lexus IS models to buy and the years you'll want to avoid. We hope this helped you make a smarter, more confident decision before purchasing your next luxury sedan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car buying guides, reviews, and ownership tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.